Hello everyone, welcome to Coffee Time with Christina, Melody Group. Today we celebrate the investors who move with precision, who don't chase noise, who know exactly what they want, and activate the ecosystem what delivers it. Off market 100 unit plus multifamily 1031 exchange aligned, AR powered. This is not a listing site. This is not a newsletter. This is a deal flow agent built for legacy. If this 100 unit multifamily deal isn't fit your criteria, we will match you with the next one. If you are active, ready, and moving, this ecosystem will move with you. Coffee Time with Christina, Melody Group Session 25 is continued tomorrow, February 25th, 3:30 p.m. Eastern. Bring your timeline, get your coffee time passport, bring your capital posture, bring your clarity. This is your celebration window. Welcome to Christina Melody Group every single day. Welcome to join a community of excellence. Welcome to Coffee Time with Christina Melody Group every single day. Celebrate with us. Thank you and welcome.